Hey YouTube faggots. Sorry I couldn't put a video up. Holy shit, these stink lately. But look away for a minute. But I nailed the perch today. Just putting it out there. Gotta put a video on, and I want to talk about something today. I got my best friend back, and it's pretty fucking awesome. Not gonna lie. Love that kid. Definitely gonna hang out with him a lot. So this video is to him, and I love you, man. Here is an average size perch. Look at that. It's the average size that I keep. Great eating. Here are two that were caught today. Fucking hogs. Look at this. Look at the comparison. Let's see. 7 inches. Great. 10 inches. 11, 12 inches this perch. That perch is a foot long. Real nice perch. Well, that's pretty much it.